Thank you, Charlotta, for this t-shirt. I like it, and these tattoos and stickers. I love it so much. Thank you.
That's adorable. Hi beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. My name is Charlotta if you're new here, and in this video I'm gonna share a second t-shirt print that I made out of a kid's painting. So in case you know someone creative who makes beautiful pictures no matter what age, it's quite a fun idea to print their artworks on a t-shirt and give it to them on a special occasion like a birthday or a Christmas or whatnot. So a couple of weeks ago, one of my art kids here in London turned 3 years old. So I printed a t-shirt for him, and here's how it looked when he opened his up.
My new pajama.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, right now.
Right now, let's put it out. Let's take a picture. Wow, it's perfect for you. Yeah?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Edward! Now, because Edward loved his t-shirt so much, I decided to print another one for a second art kid of mine, Alia, who turned 5 years old, and she lives over in Dubai and she's taking Zoom art classes. To celebrate her 5th birthday, I printed a painting that she made, and she was inspired by this painting. So in one of the art classes I showed her around here in my art studio, and she felt inspired by this, so she wanted to paint her own moon painting. Now, because hers turned out so well and because it was her birthday, I decided to order a t-shirt for her as well, and that is in here. So now let's open this up and see what's inside. And her painting. That's adorable. It looks so pretty, doesn't it? I'm sure she's gonna love this. There's the moon and her ladder to the moon as well. Can you see? The ladder is going up here. Oh my gosh, it's adorable! And then you got my little logo there on the side. So these t-shirts are made out of recycled 100% organic cotton, and they are delivered in plastic-free wrappings. So it's all eco-friendly. I'm quite happy with this. I hope she's gonna like it as well. And then because they didn't deliver to Dubai, I'm gonna have to go to the post office tomorrow and send it myself. And I'm gonna add some stickers inside as well, unicorn stickers, because she's into like rainbows and unicorns. And
I noticed on some of the live chats that people have this idea that there is never any sunshine in London. So I thought to share with you that we do get the blue skies and the rays here and there as well. Anyways, let's head to the post office and ship this all the way to Dubai. Thank you. Bye.
alright, thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video. If you want to see more of my content, do hit the subscribe button. Alright, I shall see you very soon. Bye bye bye.
Thank you, Charlotta, for this t-shirt. I like it, and these tattoos and stickers. I love it so much. Thank you. Bye.